Hi everyone and good afternoon. I am here with a very quick card tutorial. Wasn't able to do one this morning because I had my lovely granddaughters, so I'm going to do one today. Do one now, I should say. I have an awful sore throat and a nasty cold brewing, I think, but I'm going to see how we get on. So let me make sure I've got everything I need here. I'm just going to do a very quick excuse me. Hi Denise, honey, how are you, my darling? I feel pants, actually. I must admit I don't feel great today. I've caught a cold, I think, because I went out in the snow yesterday briefly, but caught a cold, and yes, I'm feeling a bit sorry for myself, so excuse me. But I didn't want to neglect you all, so I thought I would pop on and show you a very quick Valentine's card that we're going to make with this wonderful set. It is the Forever and Always bundle with the Forever and Always stamp set and the Always dies. Hi May, hi Linda, good morning. Oh, how are you? Where are you from, Mary? It's good afternoon here. It's 4:30, so I'm presuming you are in the States somewhere. Oh, thank you, Denise. Oh my gosh, yes, you've just reminded me. Oh, I'm glad you reminded me. I have my, let me just grab it. Oh my gosh. Yes, keep watching till the end and I will pull the winner. I need inspiration on Monday morning. It died this weekend after many failures. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Right, let me just grab my jar. And we'll start a new one from today. So Denise has already shared. If you share the video, please, it would be lovely if you share it. You will go in my appreciation jar, and I'm going to do last month's winner after this video, so don't let me forget. Right, so we're going to make a gorgeous card. I don't have one to show you because my granddaughter Franny made it earlier, so she's took it with her for mummy and daddy for Valentine's Day. So we are using some basic black card base, and I believe this is the Love You Always designer series paper. If I can remember what it is called, let me find it in the catalogue for you, just to show you. It is just gorgeous. It's in black and white. You can colour things in. Oh, True Love. It's called True Love. It's this gorgeous designer series paper here, and it's just got some gorgeous images in monochrome colours. So excuse me. So we also have Magenta Madness, which is cut at 4 by 5 3/8, and then our DSP is cut at 3 7/8 by 5 1/4. That's right. And you're going to need some scrap black and some scrap Magenta Madness, and this is really a super easy card. This is a lovely stamp set. You've got these lovely Love Always, so love you so very much, love you more, love always together, love you with my whole heart, love you forever. So lots and lots of ways that you can actually use this stamp set, and some gorgeous images, which reminds me I need a piece of basic white, which I forgot. So I do need a piece of basic white for the inside. So let me quickly cut this down. So we need a piece that is, let's do this. Right, we're going to do this now. I'm going to do it 3 7/8 by 5 1/4. Hi Tina, honey. 5 1/4. And that's for the inside. So I nearly forgot. Right, I think we're done. I think we're done. Right, okay, so let's do our little bit of stamping that we need to do first. So we're just going to take the flower image, which is this lovely half a flower. So we're going to take this half a flower, and we also need the U. And I need a little scrap piece of Whisper White. Let me just find a piece. Right. We're just going to need a scrap piece of Whisper White. We're using our Memento Black. And we're just going to do the U, which is not straight on my stamp block, which of course it wouldn't be. And I am just going to stamp that down like that. And we're going to cut that up in a minute. So we just need that. We're going to stamp this image of this lovely half flower in the bottom of, oh gosh, look, I've got ink all over my fingers now. Yucky yuck. Thank you, Tina. I'm going to do the draw for last month in a minute. Right. And just pop that down like that. And we are going to be done with that. So we just need our Magenta Madness, whatever it is. Is this it? Is this it? Light Magenta Madness. I picked it out first time. So we're just going to come in and colour this flower. Just to give this card a little bit of pop of colour in the inside. Going to come in, and I love this Magenta Madness. It is such a beautiful colour. I hope you are having a lovely day. Like I said to Denise, because Denise was here first, I am feeling a little bit sorry for myself because I've got a bit of a cold. So I'm sorry I wasn't on earlier, but I had my grandchildren. Hi, Carol. Hi, Louisa. Right, okay, so that's going to be your inside. And what we need to do... Oh, my goodness me, where are my scissors? I cannot find my scissors. Okay. Let's find a scrap pair of scissors. Right, we're just going to literally cut this down like this. Like this. So we're just going to cut this U out. And then we'll use a scrap bit of black in a minute. So that's those two bits done. Now what we need to do, let's move these to one side. We're going to take our dies, wherever they might be, wherever I put them. And these are lovely dies, really, really lovely dies. So we're going to cut out the background for the words, love and always. And then we're going to cut out the actual words in the Magenta Madness, but we're going to do the background in black. So let me just pop that there. Let's do this here. So we need to cut out these two. Are they going to fit? That is the question. Right. Let me move these out of the way. We've got our big cut and emboss today. Right, let's pop this on here. Having a very stressy day. Oh, I'm so sorry, Tina. I'm just going to pop them down on there and run this through. Now, they would have fitted on my little mini, but my big one was out because my granddaughter had used it. Hi, Indy, honey. My granddaughter had been doing some crafting earlier, so she already had my big cut and emboss out. So we've cut out the backgrounds for the words because they're like a shadow. And then what we're going to do is we need a bit of black, and we're going to use some Magenta Madness, and we're going to cut out these words. And let's just put them there like that. Hi, Brenda. Hi, Irene. Hope you are all well and keeping nice and warm. Yes, I feel as rough as a badger's bottom, as they would say. I'm not feeling great. Oh, but, oh my gosh, crafting is very good for the soul. Oh, right. Okie dokie. So, let's put them to one side. We don't need them no more. And we've got the lovely word always. And we have the L, wherever it is. And the rest of the love. Okay, right, let's get rid of these little bits because they go everywhere otherwise. Not received my new bank card yet, and my existing one expired yesterday. Oh no, that is not good, honey. Right, okay, let's do that and do that. Right, so we can put our dies to one side, and what we're going to do is we're going to use our fine tip glue. And hi Vanda, honey. And we are just going to put this, and how gorgeous are these words. So we're just going to literally use our fine tip glue. Love our fine tip glue. It is very, very good. And we're just going to pop this down on, whoops, here like that. And what I always do is, whoops daisy, I just get an old, I've got an old flannel that I use actually, and I just literally dab all the glue off of that so it dries a little bit. And then we're going to do the L. And we're going to pop that down like so. And pop this on here. Like that. How gorgeous is that? And we're just going to literally pop our pin back in to our fine tip glue. Right, yes, I hope they sort that out for you soon, Tina. Right, okay, so what we're going to do, told you this card is super quick, super easy. We're going to take the inside bit. Oops, the daisy. I know, the words are just gorgeous, and I love the way that they have a shadow on the back as well. Aren't they just, don't they really pop with that magenta madness? Just gorgeous. Right, let's get this put into our card. And as you can see, I made a bit of a boo-boo on there, never mind. Right, there's our inside, and then we're just going to layer these bits up. And put this on here. So if you haven't made your Valentine's card yet, you have got time. And then we're going to put the lovely... Now what you could actually do, you could leave this as it is and leave it in the black and white like this, or you could actually colour in some of these flowers if you wanted to. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to leave it as it is, but if you wanted a little pop of colour, you could colour in some of these little flowers. So we're going to put love you always. So we've got love, and then we're going to have the U wherever it's gone here. And all I'm going to do is just literally stick that down to my black card. Do you know what? All of my glues at the moment are being very, very temperamental, and I'm not happy with them. And I can never remember which one is the one that works, and it is that one. Right, so let's move that one out of the way. I don't know what's going on with them at the minute. I don't think it got cold or something. I don't know. And we're just going to pop that down there and literally just snip that off. Love the colours and the words. Aren't they just gorgeous? I love this set. It is gorgeous. I'm just going to literally cut that out. And then we're just going to stick these down. So I'm going to put these with glue, and I'm going to use dimensionals for that one. And if you wanted to make it pop even more, we could actually just, let's see if this makes it pop a little bit more and gives it a little bit more colour. Oh my gosh. Let's put that down on there. Better. Just a little bit more. Yes, it does. Look, love you always. So all we need to do is we're just going to stick these down. Even this glue's being a bit temperamental. Put that there, and you could put them on dimensionals if you wanted to, but I'm not going to on this one. I'll stick that there. Wait me a minute, honey, I'm just recording. Hubby's home. Hubby's home. Right, let's just put a little bit of dimensionals on here. I don't think he thought I was going to do a video today because I wasn't feeling great. So we've got Love You Always, like that. Now, if you wanted to, like I said, you could maybe do a couple of these little flowers. Shall we do one? See what it looks like. I don't know whether we should or not. Let's just do one of these flowers. Just to make it pop, a little pop of colour in there. Look, see how cute that is. Ooh, hi Han, I was in the craft room, didn't know you were doing a live. I didn't even know I was doing a live today, Karen. Honestly, I didn't. So there is your very quick and easy Valentine's card, and it's just delicious, absolutely delicious. I told you it was going to be a quick one. I will be back tomorrow, but we do have the drawing, and let me just go and get the prize if I can find it. Okie dokie, so there is a choice of prizes for this one. Now this is for my appreciation jar for last month. So I've got all your names in here, everyone who shared. So they're all in there. And you will have a choice, the winner will have a choice between Darling Donkeys or Heal Your Heart. So 2 gorgeous stamp sets, and you can pick, whoever the winner is can pick which one they want. And obviously these are from the celebration. If you spend £45, you can get one of these free. Right, hi Janet, darling. So this is for the appreciation jar for last month. So I'm going to put my hand in. Everyone who shares, your names do go in the jar. And at the end of the month, I will pull out a winner. So is any of you feeling lucky? Because I know most of you have got your names in here. So let me just give these a really good spin around. Oh, I've got one in between my fingers here. Let's have a look and see who's won. Dun, dun, dun. Are you ready? The winner is Kay Deaton. Wow, she is on a roll this month. She won, got a really good prize on my my mystery bags the other day as well. So Kay Deaton, well done, honey. You can choose between Darling Donkeys or Heal Your Heart. I think she should go buy a lottery ticket because I think she's being very lucky. So there you go. There's your card for today. Hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to share the video. I will go back and have a look, and we're going to start the appreciation jar all over again. I know there's been a couple of you today that have already shared. So thank you for watching. I will be back tomorrow for another live card tutorial or something fun. So have a lovely evening, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.